Hello, welcome to the good place. Everything is fine. Just kidding, it's Veganuary, yay! Welcome to Veganuary 2019.
Welcome back to our vegan channel. Congratulations if you've clicked on this video, because that means that you're interested in eating less meat and animal products.
Yeah, well, I mean, if you're vegan, you're living that plant-based, you're eating the plant-based diet.
Right.
But also trying to lessen the cruelty towards animals.
Right. So
in other ways.
It's New Year's Day right now, and
back to work.
It's time to get back to work. If you're new to our channel and you're coming here because of Veganuary, welcome. We're going to try and make this happen for you. We're going to try and give you tips and strategies so that you'll be successful. And if you're coming back to our channel,
if you're already vegan, let's just have a good time.
Yeah. I mean,
we're ready to party.
Can't we all like just try and strive and be a little bit more healthier? I know I struggle with that all the time. I just want to eat as healthily as I can.
Right.
So I'm gonna make a concerted effort to make more healthy foods, I think, in 2019. So
yay.
And have my cat stop scratching my table leg.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
So this is our second year doing Veganuary. We had a lot of fun with it last year, so we thought, let's do it again. And
let's get crazy.
Yeah, so
because this is a very busy month for us.
Yeah, we have a lot of fun ideas for this series. We're gonna be doing recipes, of course.
We want to do Q&As, so if you want to start with the Q's right away.
Yeah, leave it in the comments if you have a question for our next Q&A video.
Or if you want to see any of your ideas made into a video.
Yeah, let us know
awesome.
if you have any video suggestions or topics or anything you want us to cover, and we'll see what we can do.
Exactly.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff.
Again, congratulate yourself for making probably the best decision of your life. For your life, for the planet, for your family.
Yeah.
So
I kind of want to challenge myself, and I don't know if I'm kicking myself in the butt right now.
What is your challenge?
I'm about to say this, but you guys are always on my butt about how many bagels I eat. I'm kind of thinking maybe just for at least January, I should do like a bagel cleanse. I think that's a great idea. And then welcome them back into my life just as a treat, but do like a 31-day bagel detox. Just try to, you know, eat some different foods, eat some healthier foods.
I think that's a fantastic idea. We were supposed to buy bagels yesterday and we never got around to it.
I haven't had a bagel in a few days now.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
I feel fine. I feel fine.
We've been trying to eat more of the like whole breads, like the Ezekiel style breads.
Yeah,
like, the
I'm still gonna eat bread, but
yeah, but not
bagels are like a next level of unhealthy.
Bagels are just like eating sugar.
I know. So that's a challenge that I'm gonna pose to myself. We'll see how I do.
I think she'll do pretty good because I'm not gonna buy them and I do the shopping.
I do the shopping too. You know, I could just get in my car and go buy them if I wanted to.
But you won't.
I won't. But I could.
Alright, so let us know what your biggest challenge is for Veganuary as well. We'd like to see if we can help you out with that because we want you to be successful.
Woo.
So join us. Let's have some fun.
Okay, yay! We'll see you guys tomorrow. And until then, much love.